Hi friends, I want to talk about how we're going to make the letter M. We're going to start with capital M, and there's two possible ways to do it. Of course, this is capital M, so you know what we're talking about. Now, one way is you make a line. We always start at the top. Make another line. Doesn't it look like we're going to make H? But we're going to put a mystery dot down here in the middle. Listen, mystery, middle. From the top, it's like a sliding board. Touch the dot, jump. Sliding board, touch the dot. Look, nobody knows that dot is there. So when you do it like that, you always go down. Down, jump. Down, put the dot, down, jump, down. But there's another way, which is faster and maybe a little more grown up, but you still have to start at the top. Starting at the top, down, jump, down, up, down. You have to keep going. Down, jump. Now I'm not going to stop. Down, up, down. You want to see the duds? This is what we're not doing. Starting at the bottom and going like this. That is not capital M. We're also not going to do this. Down, jump. Does that look right to you? So that's two ways to make capital M.